Welcome to Dev Tested. This is the last video for our series Solution of Equations. I have uploaded all the videos chronologically, so if you haven't watched my prior videos, do check them out. It sets the stage for the whole chapter Solution of Equations. Let's start with Descartes' method. Descartes' method is an alternative of Ferrari's method for solving biquadratic equations. For example, we have a biquadratic equation x to the power of 4 plus bx squared plus q equals to 0. I say biquadratic because it doesn't have x cubed or x. So the idea is to reduce the quartic to quadratic in. So to solve these type of equations, Descartes said, let's just substitute x squared with y. We'll have y squared plus by plus q equals to 0. And it's easier to find y. That is nothing but minus p plus minus under root p squared minus 4q by 2. And then I can back substitute y to x, that is as y is equals to x squared, so my x is nothing but under root plus minus y, plus minus under root y. So that's what Descartes' method says. That's a wrap up for this video. I have uploaded the entire series in Solution of Equations. If you want to go and watch the Ferrari's method, that's there. So now let's wait for our next lecture series. That would be linear algebra. So make sure you hit the notification button on. See you next time. Happy learning.